because I'm going to toss these out into the real world as well as the classroom, I'm not satisfied with these. I'm going to take this through another trip through Camera Raw. I'm not going to edit this version of Camera Raw. I'm going to go ahead and use my keyboard shortcut. It's Filter Camera Raw is how you find that. And I'm going to go ahead and get some more density out of this. I'm just not happy with, how simple it is. So just a little bit. We'll say okay there with the letter P. There's before and after. Liking that a lot better. And we'll switch to this one. And same thing. Take it back into Camera Raw. It's just we need more color in this. And we can always pump up the vibrance a little. That can be dangerous. I'll lighten up that edge. And if I move this towards yellow, it can bring out, it's sometimes works like exposure, depending upon your colors. That can and can't work. It's kind of one of those things you got to feel around for and see what works for you. So just playing with these settings back and forth, trying to get a handle on what looks good. So there's before, there's after. I think these two look a lot better. So in this set of tutorials, you're going to work through these two starter files. I'm going to come back over to our website. I've given you the starter files here. Download them. They're going to go into your downloads folder. And if I look at this, if you go into downloads, they'll be sitting here. And you can drag this folder into your documents. And that way, when you drag these down, these StructureGen starter files, and you drag them down and drop them on Photoshop, they'll open up and you'll get this dialog box, which I take you through in the video. So that's a good way to start. Please, yeah, I know you've got Structured on your computers, but use these starter files because it'll be a lot easier to find your way through the tutorials and then experiment with Structured. You got it? That's not a suggestion. This is what I want you to do. All right, have fun with this because this really is a cool project, and you'll learn a lot of useful skills.